Hey everybody, welcome back to Thetechspace, and I just recorded this video. Forgot to turn my mic on in OBS again. It was muted, so I've done this 2 times now where I've went in OBS to record a video and have my mic muted for whatever reason. And so this is just an update video. I want to show you guys or tell you guys about the new stuff I am getting to improve the tech space overall, the view of the videos, the quality of the videos, the editing, and everything else. So I'm going to be ordering a new webcam that's going to be HD, and I put this in the worst quality possible just to show you guys this computer isn't made to support this type of video, so it renders it really bad. So when I put it in bad quality, it makes it not stutter as much, but when it's in good quality it stutters really bad. So I'm fixing that issue by ordering new RAM as well for my computer. So I got 64 gigabytes of RAM for my computer and a new video card, as well as a new webcam and a new microphone. So those are all little investments that I made to make the tech space better, and we're going to try to make this quality of the videos better and bring in more subscribers, and overall just make the quality 10 times better. Because if you look at the dark web videos, while the content in the video has the right view, you know, it's entertaining content, I feel that the videos are getting stunted. The growth is getting stunted of the videos because of me not being on the right equipment and having the right equipment to make everything coherent and work together. So that's basically it. I just wanted to give you guys a little update to let you guys know I am working on videos. I have more videos than this coming out today, and from now on, starting, and you guys can quote me on this, January 21st, I will have a video out every single day, and that'll be multiple videos, more than likely every day. But most days it'll be 1 or 2, but a lot of the days I'm gonna have just tons of videos because I have tons of playlists that I'm editing right now. It takes a lot of editing to do these long playlists that I do, so it's a lot of time that I have to put into it. So just be patient, and again, starting today, you guys will see a rollout of just tons of videos and content. And leave me feedback. Show me you guys want to see the content. Tell me what you guys want to see, and show me that you guys like the content by liking it and subscribing to my channel. So that's the only way I can tell, is if you guys like the video and subscribe to it and share it, because I can see in my analytics, hey, this video was liked by the people, this video wasn't, so I'm gonna stop doing this video and start doing more of these types of videos. So again, that's where I am with the tech space right now and the content. Again, you can check out my social media for updates. I update my Twitter. I'm on Twitter all the time, so check out my Twitter. Number 1, check out the tech space on Facebook, and that's it. So I'll see you guys next time.